Alright, today I'm doing a quick video on a small Craftsman ratchet number 44807. Um, my lever on this USA made ratchet here broke because it's plastic. And I even tried to 3D print the piece for it, but it's so small that at the end here it just gets all deformed and things like that, even though I got pretty close. I thought I'd try this before I went to Sears to see if I could get the part. The new ratchets are made in China and the casting is just not that great. So I just needed the lever. And to make a long story short, when I got there, I asked one of the persons there if I could get a replacement for the lever, or if they had one. He said they could fix it, and I said, well, I can fix it myself if you have the part. He said, okay, let me get you the kit, spare parts kit right here. And this is what everything came in the bag. So you basically get all the little parts, including the new lever, which is metal actually, so that's kind of nice. So I just went ahead and used that, but I also noticed the replacement parts actually include everything, and the button here is actually raised higher than the original. I don't know if it's because it's stuck or it's just not that great, but I put them both. I put this one on just to test it out. It works, but I figured this one still kind of works, or still working, because I have never actually used it. So the warranty was pretty painless. They didn't ask me for anything. They just asked me for whatever the number was. I went ahead and did that. So I have all the new spare parts for it if I ever need it. I don't abuse my parts, but that's what you get. And here's what this looks like. There's that number, and here's another number. It says refurbish. The parts are new, so I don't know. I guess that's what you use to refurbish the parts. And these are the instructions that you get. I had already taken it apart, so I didn't really need that, but it's all there. They have this one tool here which they don't include, or at least I didn't get it, but I had already put it together, so it's not a huge deal. But you do get that, and it's pretty nice that you can get the just the parts for it and not have to exchange it for one of the new ones. So what I want to do here is basically take it apart, because I need to put a little bit of oil in there. But this is my new Quinn snap ring pliers that I just got last night too, and it comes with this and a bunch of pieces. He had the copper pieces on it, but those are too big for the snap ring here. So, and it's reversible, but right now I have it for internal, and I can take it off. Okay, I got it on the wrong side here. It's supposed to be external. There we go. There we go. And it just makes that really simple job versus trying to use a, what do you call it, screwdriver and other parts. And this just comes right out, just like that. And I'm just gonna put a little oil on there. I don't have it with me, but I just wanted to kind of show you that, and that's what that looks like inside. It's the new lever sits a little higher than the old one, but it's metal, so that's kind of nice. But at least my kit is back together. I thought I was gonna have to just put that away and not use it again, but apparently no, they have a nice kit, so that's kind of nice. I hope that helps, and if you do have an old one that you need to fix, you can just stop by Sears, and their warranty was painless, so just like any other store, Harbor Freight or Lowe's, no questions asked. They just look at the number and they gave me the parts. So 2 thumbs up for Sears warranty on that. Unfortunately, you won't get a USA made. I don't think. I think he said they had some, but I just kept the one I had, so that was kind of nice of them to just let me do that. I mean, you know, you don't have to give it to them, but I wanted to keep my USA made versus the new ones. A lot of the new ratchets are made in China, and they just don't look that great to me. So it's only a few teeth on this one, but still works, and you know, nothing wrong with it other than my broken plastic piece that they added here. I don't know why they made that plastic, but the new ones are not plastic, so that's kind of nice. But there you go. That's your Sears warranty repair and how it works.